I've spent a lot of money on this truck. Let's see if it's worth every penny. Let's go on a test drive. Let's go. All right, as you can see, I got my Insta360 out there on the back. Let's go ahead and start her up. A little cold start. Oh yeah. Sorry, hopefully you guys can see better now. I just checked my camera angles, but truck's warming up. I got the Insta360 in the back. Hopefully we'll get some good angles, but anyways, let's get on with this drive. Alright, driving in my TRX. I'm hoping you guys could see the lighting. I'm wearing my GoPro Hero 10 on my face. But here is a TRX. She sounds really good. I got the Insta360 in the back too. Why did I get a TRX? First of all, so I got a TRX. I mean, I've been wanting it since it came out, honestly, in 2021. I saw it. I've told my wife for years, this is the perfect vehicle. It can do it all. Off-road, on-road. You can take it to the drag strip. You can get your groceries in it. It's got plenty of space for the family in the back. Got cup holders for days in here. There's just an endless amount of reasons why I wanted this truck for a long time. I actually considered buying a RHO. I'm gonna put the windows down. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully you guys can hear me still good, okay? Like I said, I thought about getting a Ram RHO. So like I told you guys, I wanted to get a Ram RHO. I actually considered it, but when they came out with the 2027s, I said, never mind. I'm gonna get me a TRX, and this is why a TRX is better than a RHO. Oh yeah. Let's try that again. I didn't launch it good. One more launch. I don't want it to get... It's hot out here, guys. Alright, this is why I wanted to get a TRX over an RHO. Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh man, this thing is just too fun, guys. It is way too fun. That whine. Listen to that whine. Oh yeah. Alright, let's put these windows up. Let's put these windows up. It is scorching hot outside, guys, and like I said, I wanted to give you guys great lighting, but at the same time it's just too damn hot, right? It's too damn hot. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering how much I paid for this TRX, and I'm just going to tell you guys right now, it was not cheap. I will be discussing exactly how much I paid for this, and I'm going to tell you guys the monthly payments, how much it cost, how much I paid out the door with taxes and everything, how much money down I put up. We'll be going over all of that in a future video, but I just wanted to give you guys a little POV of the TRX today. It's got a lot of cool features. It's got performance pages, you can see right here. Let's put it in sport mode. Sport mode's my favorite mode. I haven't really messed with any of the other ones. You can see everything's changing on there. It went from auto to sport. So when you're in this mode, it gets a little more aggressive, as you can hear. And the steering wheel just gets so tight, and the suspension gets tighter too. And you know what? Let's do another launch in this thing. All right, we'll launch it with with sport mode on. It should launch a little better. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Wow. Wow. Amazing. Oh man. Alright, hitting construction here. Slow it down. But you can hear the whine. Even whine's a little bit more in sport mode. Just listen to that. Oh yeah. Wow. Let's put the windows down again. I'm gonna have to turn it around. Got some road closures here, but this thing just drives freaking amazing. It's even got paddle shifters too. Like it just go. Oh yeah. And you know what? They're compared to the paddle shifters I'm used to in my SRT8. These are a little more responsive. All right, let's turn it around right here. All right, let's go down to first gear. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo, TRX baby. We got a TRX! Oh yeah! Woo! Alright, we're still in sport mode in the TRX. This thing, I'm telling you guys, is so fun to drive. Oh man! So miles per gallon on this thing. Let's put the windows up. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Oh my god, it's so hot outside, guys. My freaking dash says it's freaking 110 outside. Whew, it is smoking hot out here. Whew. But I'm still in sport mode. My miles per gallon, let's see, it's flipping through the pages here. I'm getting 9.4 miles per gallon right now. And I've been doing a decent amount of highway driving lately because I've been driving this thing everywhere. Overall, it's right where I expected it to be. I have just over a half tank. It says I'm getting about 160 mile range, so it has a 33 gallon tank. My experiences so far in the truck have been amazing. If you're gonna buy this truck, speaking on the gas topic, don't get it for gas, because this thing is gonna eat up gas. It's gonna cost you a lot of money in gas. Luckily, I bought the truck with brand new tires, so I won't have to worry about that for a little while, but the tires on these two are expensive. I already considered all of these things before I bought the truck, and like I said, we'll talk about how much I paid for it in my next video. But in the comment section, comment how much you think I paid out the door for the truck. This is including taxes and dock fees and all that. How much do you think I paid for it out the door? Hit it, put it in the comment section, and also put in my monthly payment in the comment section. You guys aren't gonna believe my monthly payment. It's stupid. Oh yeah, comment guys, comment. Oh my god, but this truck's amazing. Let's go ahead and put it back in auto mode right here. It even has this cool little window in the back. You can see it opens up and closes. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera or not, but it's really cool. And then the sound system's really good too. Look. Oh yeah, it's freaking sick. Oh man. But I'm not gonna put the sound on for copyright issues, of course, but man, this thing is just amazing. I'm really lucky to have it. And even in auto mode, it's really, really nice to drive. And I haven't really messed with snow, tow, or mud, sand, or a Baja or rock or any of those modes. There's even a custom mode where you can play with your own stuff, but just a really, really fun truck. As you can see, I have the custom interior that I showed you guys install video in my last video. But let's do one more pull. Do a little 20 roll right here. All right. Oh yeah, there it is. Ooh, all right. All right, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Oh my god, this thing is amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Is it worth every penny? In my opinion, yes, it is. Ask me again after I make like 3 or 4 payments, and then I'll tell you if it's really worth it. I'll probably make an update video like 6 months from now telling you guys my thoughts on if it's still worth it or not. But man, just an amazing truck. Alright, so just one more thing I wanted to talk about: insurance. Insurance is another reason why I actually bought this truck. I was thinking about actually selling the SRT8 Charger and getting a Hellcat wide body red eye, but the insurance on a Hellcat, on any Hellcat, whether it's Trackhawk or Charger, Challenger Hellcat, I didn't quote what a Durango Hellcat would be, but I can only assume it would be the same, because these cars tend to get stolen a lot more than the TRXs. Their insurance on those are way higher. So just I'll tell you guys how much I'm paying for insurance on this truck. On this truck I pay about $220 a month on insurance just for this truck, which isn't bad because I quoted what a Charger would be, a Charger Hellcat. Like this is like a regular Charger Hellcat, not even a red eye, okay? It was gonna cost me $500 a month for a freaking Charger Hellcat, guys. Insane. Oh my god. Oh, this truck's amazing. Anyways, I will talk about my experience buying the truck. Obviously, I didn't record it. I was with my family. I don't like recording when my family's with me, but they handled me really well there. I did have to go back. The numbers did get adjusted on me, and I ended up having to make a lot higher monthly payment than expected. That wasn't on them, though. They explained it to me. I'll get deeper into that, but the experience there was really good. I bought it at Auto Nation over on Bell Road in Phoenix, Arizona. Off the I-17. I'll put my guy's card on there. My finance guy, he did a really good job. He handled me really well. I'll put his card on the screen here. Give him a call if you guys want to buy any new Dodge, any new Mopar. This guy will take care of you. He'll make it happen. Okay, he made it happen for me. All right, let's just say that. Now, what surprised me or shocked me about this TRX? This TRX drives really good. It drives like a luxury truck, especially when I have it in auto mode. It just cruises around. I feel like I'm in a damn Mercedes just driving around in this thing. It's so smooth. And I have taken it off-roading very mildly. Let me say very mildly, because I'm new to this. This is my first truck. All right, my first truck's a TRX. Crazy, but I took it mildly off-roading, and it just that adaptive suspension it has, those adaptive shocks, man, they work really good. Because I took it off-road, you could it's like you're cruising off-roading, and it's so comfortable off-roading, and it just makes the ride experience a lot better. It doesn't feel a lot rough off-road. Is basically what I'm saying. I don't know if you guys can still see me. Hopefully you can. Like I said, the lighting is all over the place with this GoPro. I told you guys earlier that these trucks are all about miles per gallon. You don't buy these because it's a smart financial decision. So if you're thinking about buying a TRX, if you're wondering, is it a smart financial decision? Hell no. No, it's not a smart financial decision. It's a decision you make because you truly enjoy cars. You're a car person or a truck person. You truly enjoy automotive toys, okay? This is a toy, all right? If you have the money, buy it. It's great. Other than the gas and the price, it's an amazing truck. It can do it all. It's great for the family. It's great to just be by yourself in it. There's nothing I can say bad about this truck other than the gas and the price. My GoPro died, but here is the Ram TRX in all its glory. Looking amazing. I'm gonna show you guys under the hood right now. She sounds really good. You can see the custom interior looking great. Let's pop the hood though. Let's pop the hood. You guys can hear the engine. Check out that supercharger. Here it is. There's a supercharger right there. It is 113 degrees out here, guys. It is hot. But here she is. Amazing truck. I freaking love this thing, guys. And I think the Insta 360 overheated too. She's cooked as well. Still can't believe I have this TRX now. I am in love with this thing. I have so many plans for it, but I gotta pay it down a little bit, all right? Let's just say that. But if you're into TRXs, if you're into Mopar content, Hellcats, SRT8s, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. I am SRT Dad, and I'm out.